If you're a true do-it-yourselfer, here's a project that's going to help you establish some skills and take things to the next level. We're talking about making bar shelves. What you're gonna notice is I'm not using butt joints. We're gonna trim it out with mitered corners, 45 degrees. But here's the secret to mitered corners. First you do the rough cut, make sure everything fits, and then you come back and make any minor little 1/16 of an inch adjustments right before you nail it. I can let that piece go, and I'm gonna work my way all the way down on this side. The wood's a little bendy. That's okay. We're gonna play with it. You're the boss. And moving on to this corner. Fantastic, that's good. We're gonna get rid of all these unsightly little holes where the wood was exposed because it was stained. And then we're gonna come back, wipe down the putty with a wet rag, believe it or not, and then I'm gonna just quickly touch it up with some stain that I have on this to even it out and hide those nail holes. I'm gonna make the second shelf because we're gonna have 2 of them, and then I'm gonna show you how to hang these up. So we're on to installing the shelves, and I'm using these really great, they're beautiful brass support brackets that will go right here into our stud. Here's our stud finder, and that actually sticks to the magnet of the screws underneath our drywall. I'm using a tape so that I don't mark with a pencil my beautifully painted wall. And all we're gonna do now is install the brackets on either side, make sure they're level, and then we put in our shelving. Fantastic. Yes, sirree, Bob. Nice. We added a tipping rail, just for a bit of elegance and sophistication. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com.